The summer's wind came blowing in from across the sea. It lingered there, so warm and fair, to talk to me. All summer long we sang a song and strolled on golden sand. Two sweethearts and the summer wind. Like painted kites, those days and nights, they went flying by. The world was new beneath them blue umbrella sky. Then softer than a piper man, one day it called to you. I lost you, I lost you to the summer wind. The autumn wind, the winter wind have come and gone, and still the days, the lonely days, go on and on. I guess those sighs, his lullabies, those the nights that never end. My tickled friend, the summer wind, the summer wind, warm summer wind.